how much more revenue can a hotel expect? Is probably the next question. Yeah, how much more money will they make? I know you covered that, but it might be worth repeating.
It's always worth repeating. So, yeah, on average, we see properties increase their flatline revenue of 19%. So obviously, if you look at what you generated last year, and that would be on average, we'll see that 19% increase for a year once you've signed up. Now, obviously, that depends on the property. So some properties will actually see a far larger increase in revenue, and some will see slightly less. But it depends on how you've been setting your pricing, and in the past. So yeah, the other area on average is we see on average about an ADR increase of 4% and occupancy increase by 14%. So that's kind of where the contributing factors for that increase in revenue comes from.
Right, increasing the average daily rate and increasing the occupancy.
Yeah, exactly. And that's where when Melody was talking about, she's talking about that full year of attention towards your rates. So if as accommodation provider you've been doing it manually, or you're maybe using some other tools where you're still updating the pricing, you realistically, how much time do you have? You're potentially looking at maybe a couple of months in advance, if that, proactively. But if you think about that, 9 months time, 10 months time, it's not really in your frame of mind yet. You've kind of go, oh, that's a busy time or it's a quiet time, and you might set some rates for an extended period. But because we're looking at it day by day, every few hours, all the time, you're really optimizing that drip of revenue that's coming through. And that's where that really incremental boosts come from in regards to ADR and occupancy, and then boost that almost 20% revenue increase through the year.